Now see, now we start a third teaching point, that is how to find out sum of first n terms. So, if you are given AP is A plus D, A plus 2D, and so on, then Sn is defined as sum of first n term. इन बीच में से नहीं ले सकते हैं, first n terms. Okay, it is not from in between. That is T1 plus T2 plus dash 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 plus Tn. This is meaning of Sn. The method of getting sum of first n terms of an AP was given by a small boy of 10 years old. His name was GAUSS, gaseous law. आपने सुना होगा. He invented many new things in chemistry also, physics also, and math also. You know, how can I say that he has given all the technique of getting Sn, formula for Sn? See, one day he was asked to find out sum of first positive integers. Sum of first positive integers from 1 to 100. 1 to 100 नेचुरल नंबर या यू कैन से पॉजिटिव नंबर का सम करने को किसी ने बोला, टीचर ने ही बोला. ही इमीडिएटली आंसर, ही immediately replied that my answer is, मतलब sum from 1 to 100 is 5050, and he gave correct answer. Can you guess how did he get the answer? कैसे उसने ये जॉब लाया, आप सोच सकते हो. So see, I will show you the method how he calculated and get the answer 5050. उसने क्या किया, he wrote S is equal to, he wrote all 100 natural number with addition sign. Okay. Then he reversed the order. Reverse the number. मतलब he again wrote S and he write last number first, last second second, last third and second, last second and first as last. Then he add both of them. Adding, he get 2 times sum, okay? And every time he got 101, 99 plus 201, 99, 8 plus 301. How many times? 100 times. So, 2 times S is equal to 100 times 101. So only one time S. He interested in getting only single S. So 100 by 2. So 50 into 101. And that way he got answer 5050. Is it strange? A child of 10 years old. Right? Now we will use, derivation is not in your course, but I will show you. We will use same technique to find formula for SN of NAP. Okay? SN मतलब sum of first n term of NAP. उसकी formula में derived करके बताऊंगी आपको. And the technique which I am going to use is same technique as that 10 years old child had used. First I write SN and I write first term as A, second term as A plus D, third term as A plus 2D, right? And last term as A plus n minus 1D, okay? Then फिर से I will write SN, I reverse the order of the term. So last term is A plus n minus 1D, I just write below A. Then below A plus D I write A plus n minus 2D. And dash dash dash, below A plus n minus 1D I write first term A. So if I add them, I will get 2 times sum of n term. इस फर्स्ट को ऐड करूंगी तो मुझे मिलेगा 2a प्लस n माइनस 1d. करस्पॉन्डिंग सेकंड टर्म में ऐड करूंगी तो भी आएगा 2a प्लस n माइनस 1d. कितनी बार आएगा पता है? n टाइम्स. उसमें 100 टाइम्स, इधर n टाइम्स. सो दैट इंप्लाइज माई 2sn इज n टाइम ब्रैकेट में 2a प्लस n माइनस 1 ब्रैकेट कंप्लीट d. So my SN is, this is a formula for sum of first n term of NAP. Formula is n by 2 bracket में 2a plus n minus 1d. You know what does a represent, what does d represent, right? What does n represent? This is one of the formula. Another way of writing this formula is, I split up 2a as a plus a. And 1a I have taken with n minus 1d. So this is going to become my n term, okay? And n term, as I said, if my sequence is finite, then n term is also called as last term, okay? So my second formula is n by 2 in bracket a plus n. Suppose you are given a, d, n. तीनों तीन दिया है तो first formula is better. And suppose d is not given to you, only n, a and last term is given. Then better you apply second formula to find out sum of first n term of NAP. Clear? So this is a theoretical part. No one is going to ask you the proof, but you have to remember this first and second two formula for SN. And which one can be used? It depends on the given data, requirement of the data. Suppose A, D and N, 3 are given, then first is better. If D is not given but N, A and L is given, then second formula is most convenient, okay? Now see, for example, how to use this formula. Suppose मैं बोलूं find the sum of first 22 terms. Sum, huh? I am not asked find out 22nd term. I am asked to find out sum of first 22 terms of the AP. 8, 3, minus 2, dash, dash, dash. So here, find out what is A? 8. What is D? T2 minus T1. So 3 minus 8. So it is minus 5, okay? Okay? And what is N is 22. In formula of SN, I am given N, A and D. So which formula is better? First, N by 2, bracket में 2A plus N minus 1. N minus 1 is 21D. Clear? Now I put the value of 22 by 2 is 11. अंदर आएगा 2A मतलब 16 plus 21 टाइम D मतलब minus 5. ब्रैकेट बराबर रखना. 11 into 16 minus 21 into 5. So 105. 11 into 16 minus 105. So minus 89. When I multiplied 89 with 11, my answer is minus 979. Clear? Now another example I give you. For example, if ulta, suppose S of 14 is given as 1050, ulta. पहले मैं SN पूछा था, इधर S14 is given. And what else is given? A is given as 10. And you are asked to find T20. देखो, S14 दिया है, A दिया है, and you are asked to find out T20. T20 के लिए I want A and D both. N is given. So A is given. So our ultimate aim is to find out D. So how do I find out D? By using given data. S14 is 14 by 2 in bracket 2A plus N minus 1 मतलब 13D. S14 is given 1050. 14 by 2 is 7. 2A is given as 20. But D is not given. So here D is missing, okay? So it is 1050 upon this into 7, go this side upon 7. 20 plus 13D. So 1050 upon 7 is 150. Is equal to 20 plus 13D. Now 20 A side ले आओ. Algebra तो आता है ना. 13D is 150 minus 20. So 130. So my D will be 10. D आ गया. बस अब तो हम बापू हो गए. In order to find out 220, A plus 19D. A पता है, D हमने निकाल दिया है 10. So it is 190. So my answer is 200. Clear? My 28th term is 200. Clear?